But yeah, I probably did not record the stuff because I put on the photo mode.
Can you please?
Right, give me one. I record this one again. Because just give me 1 second. Oh, it's nice car. Let's just record this. It's a very beautiful car. Look.
I want to see the phone.
You the one like car toys, right? Hot wheel.
I don't play with them anymore.
You don't play anymore?
I know.
The last time Bob bought 2 for you was 20 something.
Wait.
Now you said you don't play anymore?
Yeah, because I don't want to waste my money on the same thing.
You don't waste the money on the same thing?
But I don't want to waste it.
No, I just said like the car. Look at nice car. Look at.
Can you please?
One second. One second. Just 1 second. What's that? Hey, be nice. If you not, next time go down buy the stuff and I don't bring you here.